So before this video gets started, if you're looking for a way to start making money, there's an awesome way to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing now for over 5 years. And guys, I've been making, look at this, over $10,000 per month. This is on just one of my several YouTube channels. And as you can see, I've made over 50,000 bucks just this year so far, and it's only May. And then if you go to last year, oh gosh, I made over $120,000 just on one channel. That's over $10,000 a month. And this allowed me to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now here in Southern California. And for the first time ever, I'm actually teaching you how to create your own faceless YouTube channel so that you can also hopefully start making thousands of dollars a month. And for the first 100 people who sign up, there's a 30-day free trial. You can sign up, try it out. Join, watch the video. There's a 50-minute video teaching you everything you need to know to create your own, giving you ideas and just giving you all the resources to get started. And then there's a group chat where I will be interacting with you and helping you out along the way. So click the link below, join the 30-day free trial, and maybe, it'll change your life just how it did mine. I used to be in massive credit card debt. I worked minimum wage jobs. I worked Uber, I worked Lyft, I worked at selling knives on Cutco. Worked at a bookstore. I did everything, okay? But doing YouTube really, guys, changed my life, and I'm excited to hopefully help some of you guys out too. You don't need any experience, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need a following at all. So click the link below to start your 30-day free trial if you'd like. Otherwise, let's get started with the video. The video topic on this one is meet the Uber driver who makes $3,700 per week driving for Uber Black. So we actually had I posed this question in the Facebook group. What's the most money you've ever made as a week in a Uber or, sorry. Can you read that? Can you read this?
What's the most money you've made in a week as an Uber or Lyft driver? Wow, I got a lot of comments.
If I highlight this, that's your cue to read it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Sorry, I'm just having an off day today.
3,170 hours.
Wait, where was the 3,700? Somebody commented they did 3,700 bucks.
4,300?
Yeah, this guy. Oh, here we go. This was the one. Carlos, and I trusted him because he's a top contributor in the group, so he's got to be legit. Look at this. 3,700 bucks in 1 week on Uber Black and Black SUV. Then after that was that word. We're not going to say that word. Then after that was like 22 hundo. So this dude made 3,700 bucks in a week.
But that was 6 years ago.
Yeah, but still, it's possible. But apparently this guy, Enabulele, Austin, big guy. He's not a top contributor though, so I mean, I don't know.
He could be lying. Maybe we should interview him.
Kaya Ruth only did she did 1350. That's really good. Oh, is another top contributor. Guys, join our Facebook group because apparently people are raking it in. Oh,
yeah, we have it linked down below.
Yeah. So I commented, how many hours did you work? He said about 10 hours per day, and that was from Monday through Sunday. So he did 70 hours a week on Uber Black and Black SUV.
So yeah, if you want to throw away your social life, then...
And he's in Texas. Well, yeah, I mean, for 1 week, though. I mean...
Yeah. Yeah, let's say, like, if, I don't know, maybe you're, like, short on rent, and you got to pay rent in, like, a week or something. Then you could just easily, like, make that money.
Yeah, look at this guy. I've made a little over 2,400 bucks a couple times. Haven't yet pushed for 2,500. In certain cities where the cost of living is insane, you can make 2K a week. I made 2,100 last week. How do people make so much money? They just drive too much or what?
Yeah, I think you got to drive a lot.
Yeah.
Like over 60 hours.
This guy said he made $1 million. I don't know if I trust him, but he is verified, so. He said he made $1 million in a week? No, he's got to be trolling, right? Or do you think he's serious? Because he is verified.
He might be serious.
Interesting. This guy lost 500 bucks. Well, Unger.
I honestly believe it.
Yeah.
Okay, anyways, so it is possible, guys, to make $3,700 a week doing Uber Black, especially if you live in a busy market like Miami, where there's a lot of sugar daddies and a lot of people who have money who want to show up to the club in the Uber Black.
Yeah. Miami spring break is probably a good time to try.
Yeah, type of clients do you think are doing Uber Black? Definitely sugar daddies. Definitely
Maybe just
some,
like high profile people.
yeah, celebrities usually have their own drivers though. Um,
Yeah, but if they're like on vacation somewhere, or I don't know.
that's true. Yeah, they're just like not like celebs like Drake or Kanye West, but
Yeah,
like maybe like
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 B-list.
an NBA player, like NBA players are like
Yeah.
people who just have a crap load of money, but they're not like yeah, they don't need their own driver. This guy made $4,000 in a week. Holy moly.
Oh wow.